Good morning, everyone. We are having a little Vincent ride down to Silverton for breakfast. It's about 8 a.m. on a Friday morning. Two Vincent Rapides up ahead. The black one, the red one. This is Chris on his Egley Vincent Black Shadow, and I'm on my Rapide here. It's just a beautiful, fresh, summer, cool morning here in Oregon. Chris has just returned from a 1,000-mile ride that he did. He called it the over-the-top ride. I believe that was in Washington/Montana, Idaho. And so this is going to be like a stroll in the park for that bike. I love watching Chris's bike take off. It looks like a racehorse. It's sort of so sleek and elegant. It's holding itself back in this 25-mile-an-hour speed limit area. I forgot to notice that the Speedo has rolled over 2,000 miles, 2,015 miles now. That's just with this Speedo. I think I'd done about 200 to 250 miles before then as well. So I would say it's run in now. Still got a few little problems to fix, of course. It's always an ongoing maintenance process, but it's been amazing, and I won't jinx it because we're on a ride, but so far, so good. Famous last words. Got a little bit of a popping on Chris's bike. Just coming up to the airport here where we saw that Stearman biplane when I rode Dennis's bike. Right in there. Let's just take a look, see if it's there. Nope. That was a really enjoyable day. And Dennis's bike did so well. We've lost Dennis now, as you probably know by now. God bless him. Taking a stop just to see if everything's okay. Beautiful scenery. And here's Silverton. We got here in no time. I expected it to take quite a bit longer than it did. Very quaint old town. Just spoil the peace with all these loud bikes. Very quiet this time of day. Well, I hope you enjoyed those clips. It's lovely now. I've just got a nice, easygoing ride back home to Portland. Had a very nice breakfast in Silverton. It's just a short ride this week, but definitely a longer ride planned in the next few weeks. So take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you again next week. Okay, see ya. Myself, I always look in old garages, especially if they're open, just to see if I can see any old bikes.